welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Channeling my inner goth today because why not? Okay, so for today's video, I actually, where's the palette? I have for you the review of this xoxo palette, and I've done this tutorial, which is another one of those sister draws my makeup thing. And yeah, yes, this is the first glam of 2020. Hang on your undies, we're going to get glam today. Okay, so let's get into the video. Let's go. Okay, so base makeup has already been done, and we will just move straight into the palettes and makeup and everything. A lot of stuff to talk to you about, so we'll talk about it one by one, and I just hope I don't drop anything. So basically, all these palettes, I have like 5 of them with me. There were total 9 shades that were launched. So these 5, right? I will talk about them one by one, but these 5 plus there were these 4 more shades, out of which there was one called something like Just My Luck, which was very similar to this Nika K Lucky Charm palette. Then there was this another one which was very similar to this Watermelon Splash from Nika K, and the fourth one, it was very similar to this Nika K Ka Ocean Eyes. So the ones that I already had, I didn't bother buying them because listen, at the end of the day, all of these are like Colourpop dupes. So I got the ones that I felt I did not have color scheme wise, and then there was this last one, Going Coconuts, which was very browny nude kind of thing, which was like my deal. So I didn't get that. So other than that, I have got all the 5, and let's talk about it. I have this Colourpop, the original Colourpop ka palette, and I think let's just do like a side-by-side comparison, because I'm not going to talk about this in other videos, where I'm going to try out all these palettes. This is the first time I'm going to try one of these, and I think most of the things we are going to talk about right here, right now. So this is the Colourpop Aura and Out, and this is this SFR Colors palette. I don't have the original from Colourpop, obviously. So let's talk about it. So this is cardboard. Like this is straight up cardboard. You can see this is very similar to. Wait a sec. Let me show you my stuff. So these 2 palettes that are Huda Beauty ke exact dupes. These are again from SFR Colors, and this is the same type of packaging with these palettes. I mean, it's just a bigger palette, obviously. Why is the palette bigger? There are 9 shades only, then why did they make this bigger palette? Just to fill that Colourpop aesthetic or something like that. So this is how the palette is. So this is very similar to this. While the Colourpop one, if you guys can see, it is plastic. This is complete plastic, and I think this is how the palette is. It is a big mirror. It's a good plastic thing. So this is like a very sturdy kind of packaging. While this looks a little cheaper as compared to that. Like, see, even the mirror is small. Like the mirror for this is very similar to this mirror. Like these are literally half. So yeah, this is like inside the cardboard mirror and something like that. So that is that. And let's compare the pan size as well. Listen, see, the pan sizes are very similar. So they just try to make it very similar to this Colourpop one. And I think let's compare the size of the boxes as well. Okay, if you look at the size is very similar, like very, very similar to this Colourpop. They tried to fool you with the very first appearance. Okay, this is Colourpop, but in reality it is SFR Colors. And when I'm talking about the appearance and when I'm talking about this palette, I'll put one thing out very clear, that this is not like dupe. Okay, dupe, we have some similar colors kind of dupe. This is the dupe where you have everything similar. The color is similar. The name of these shades, you cannot see it in this palette. I'll put some pictures for you to see. Even the names of all these palettes are very similar to ones that they were in Colourpop. The names are just similar. So it's like they just took this palette from Colourpop and they made one of their SFR. That is what they did. I don't know how to really feel about this, because obviously using somebody else's idea is not cool, but Colourpop isn't known for being original either. They are like, they see this high-end brand having these color schemes and they bring their own palette for the thing. So it's like the, what did I say, the cheater got cheated. That is what I feel. I do have this Huda Beauty K dupes from SFR Colors, and I really like these. Like, this is like a really good palette. Like, it was a good pigmented palette. I have review for all of these. I will link everything in I. If you want to see like a specific review of any palettes that I've been talking about, you can find it in my description box or in the I button. Anywhere, just see that. So I really loved these 2 SFR Obsessions palette. Like this is by far the best dupe that I've found for Huda Beauty. Like, I have tried a lot of dupes for these palettes, but these were like the best ones, and I really like it. Okay, so all of these palettes are made in China. I don't know if SFR Color is actually a Chinese brand or it is something like an Indian brand which manufactures in China. It says cruelty free, like it is made in China. How is it cruelty free? I have no idea. Listen, when it comes to China, it's like we have no idea and we better not have any because it's just bad. The 5 colors that I have from this palette is, number 1 is called, okay, Baby Got Peach, okay, and every palette will have like a specific review because I can't fit everything in one. So I want to try all of these and I want to see how they work. I will have like a specific review, and this is how it is from inside. A very browny peachy kind of palette. Like, yeah. Yes, I really love the aesthetic of this one. It's really cute, and you know, I want to show you something. So this Colourpop palette, you see, this had this glitter shade. This was a very pretty glitter, but I'm not a fan of this glitter because it's like all over the place. And then they have this glitter over here, which is very chunky. Colourpop wali glitter is very fine, and this glitter is straight up circles. Okay, so that is that. So this was the first palette. Then the second palette that we have is again from the orange aesthetic, and this is Orange You Glad. And this palette over here is like orange with a little bit more darker browns. Like I went ham with orange. Like orange is one color that I absolutely lack in my you know, collection of eyeshadows. So I thought, you know, let's just go in with oranges. Oranges are hard to find. I don't know why orange palettes are hard to find. Then the third one is this Strawberry Shake. It is a lot of magentas and reds. I think it is very similar to this SFR Ruby Obsession, isn't? Somewhat, like a little bit similarity, not exactly, but a little bit similar. Okay, thank God it's not same. I think I don't have many red palettes also. Like red is also one of those colors that I don't have now. Then the fourth one is It's My Pleasure. This one is more like a purple lavender-ish kind of palette. It is again very pretty colors. And for some reason, I feel this is very similar to Nika K Sugar Plum palette. I don't know. So this is Nika K Sugar Plum, and this is this. So this pink color over here is very similar to this color and this color. So you can find, I think, even in shimmers, like there is a little bit of similarity. I don't think you need both of these colors. You can just go for one of this palette, and if you already have one of these, you don't need to go for the other one. And the last palette from this whole lot is this Smoky Show, you know, the today's palette that we have. And this is how it looks like. This is one of those palettes that I have never seen before. Like I have never seen this aesthetic until I saw Jeffree Star cremated palette, and then this was the palette that Colourpop had. Let's get into this palette. Okay, we have wasted so much time. We are already 11 minutes up into the video and we have done nothing. I mean 11 for me. I don't know after editing kitne ho jayenge, but yeah, 11 already. So Smoke Show is the name of this palette, and I believe Colourpop actually came up with the Smoke Show palette. But then I think something happened with Colourpop and they changed the name to Blowing Smoke, something like that. So the name did change. And this was the look, right? So this is what I'm going to do today. I'm starting off with this E008 brush from Curves and Lashes, and I'll move into this black color. I think I'm going to do like a very smoky look. Okay, the brush is quite coated with the black. Okay, I like that. Ooh, this black. Oh my god. And I'm taking this inner corner as well because we have to have this black color. And oh my god, is this color pigmented? Oh, okay, this is very pigmented. Like I don't know what I've got myself into now, and I need to fix this because okay, I need to take a clean brush and I need to buff this stuff because I have done something that I can't fix at this point. Okay, this blended in well. Like, oh, okay, this was nice. Okay, I mean, excuse me, ladies, this color was hell pigmented. I just want to darken it up a little bit in this area, right? It's like you just touch it very slightly and there's so much pigment coming out. Nice, it blended out really well. Like for the black color, it was good. Now we will move into this color and we will just put it on our lid, right? This did not show up the way I was expecting it to. Let's try some other brush. Yeah, nice. And for the rest of the lid, I am actually going to use this stone paste. And let's just put it in the inner corner. Let's just try the shimmer shades, okay? So this is the first, Smoking. Second, third, fourth, and the fifth. fifth was the black one. Okay, this is how it looks so far, and this is the first one. Nice. Second one. Nice. A little faint though. Third, this is like pure silver. Fourth, again blackish silver, and this is the fifth one, the black. This black is nice. Okay, let's do this. And I am going to take this shade, this over here, Starstruck is the name for this shade, and I'm going to put it in the very inner corner, like this portion. Okay, right. And then I'm going to take this Ignite, and I'm going to put it where we put the gray. I want this to be a little shimmery. Let's just mash up this stuff. Let's do the eyeliner. I'll quickly do the eyeliner and I'll be back for the lower lash line. Okay, so I have done the eyeliner. I have like two entirely different eyeliners. This one over here is glossy, this one over here is matte, because I have been trying two different eyeliners and I somehow feel this is a little fatter. What? Okay. What has been done has been done. I did have this one pencil from Nika K that I got for free, and this one is Nika K eyeliner pencil. It's a kohl pencil, and this is the pencil. Let's try this. I haven't tried this. I will not get a opportunity to try this, I feel, so let's do it today, right? Let's put this. This is really bad. Okay, I hate it. I mean, I don't use words like hate right away, but I really hate it. Like, this is one of the poorest kajals that I've ever used. Let's move into our palette, shall we? And let's finish this look, and I'm going to actually use this shimmery black. This black is getting in my nerves, so let's do this black because it's very pretty. I mean, I did have good expectation from this palette, but I wasn't expecting this. This is like one of my favorite palettes. This palette costed literally rupees 250, and this is so good. And I'm just going to take the same silver color that we have, this Starstruck, and I'll put it over here, you know, to give a symmetry to the black, and in the inner corner. Oh, it's in my eye, it's in my eye. That is good, right? I think this is a good look. Let's do the mascara, eyelashes. I'll be back quickly. You guys, I forgot. There was one thing in this look, which is this white eyeliner. We have to do that as well. I'll do that with Bella Voste eyeliner, right? So let's do this as well. Thank God I remember it now. I am taking where my wing exactly was, and then from the inner corner, so this is where we at. Let me finish this look, I'll be back. So yes guys, this is the final look. I did this very vampy burgundy lipstick. I wasn't expecting I'm going to do this, but you know what, it's all about variety in life, so I did that. Okay, and yep, so that's it for today's video guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll meet you next video. Bye bye.